How did the earliest gods, their myths and religions took shape in ancient world? How were they conceptualized? Let us try to see from their lens. Obviously, monotheism was a concept which developed much later, after societies developed philosophy. Most of ancient faiths were polytheistic. These gods, goddesses, or deities can be classified into two main types: gods of nature and gods of culture. When the early humans saw around themselves, they saw two main things: earth and sky. These were the basic gods, the earth mother and the sky father. What they saw in the sky became another set of gods: the clouds that thunder and provide rain, the moon and the stars. Then came the dawn, followed by the sun. They became another set of gods. On the earth, they saw vegetation, animals, roads, hunts, rivers, and fire. A deity was assigned to each of these elements. Nature have different forms: peaceful and wrathful. Fire gives heat and light, but can also burn. Rain provides with water for drinking and farming, but can also cause floods. Hence, these deities were imagined as both benevolent and malevolent, depending on their situation. As culture and societies developed, hierarchy and professions were created. These hierarchy and professions were also attributed to the gods. In most cultures, the thunder-wielding god was considered as the most powerful. Hence, in most cultures, the thundering god was made the king. There came a god of oath and friendship, god of smithery, god of wealth, god of justice, god of knowledge, god of power, of war, of food and wine, of lust and love, and of disease and medicine, and of course, a god of death. Each deity became the personification of the concepts they represented, and also a source of prayers for protection and gain. In time, some gods of nature and of culture were fused into one. Sometimes they were merged into historical figures, and sometimes their whole identity evolved into something completely different. In the times prior to light pollution, humans could clearly see the Milky Way galaxy after sunset. The Greek imagined it as the milk of Hera, and hence the name. The Hindus imagined it to be a celestial form of the river goddess Ganga, and hence the name Akash Ganga. For the ancient Mesopotamians, it was tale of the dragon form of goddess Tiamat. Every culture weaved their myths, and hence mythical literature developed. So next time you are chilling in the countryside while enjoying the nature, you too can look around for inspiration and create your own set of gods and mythologies. This is Pranav signing off.